car in a big booth. Jarrett last night did a beautiful job painting the 63 Chevy pickup that you've seen us working on in past videos. We've already done all the front sheet metal parts. The owner's taken it. As I told you, the owner is assembling this truck himself. So we made sure everything fit properly. We gave it back to him. We labeled all the bolts and shims where they should go. So, well, good luck with that one, Philip. You know? But anyway, there you go. So it's all painted up. We just set the box back on it. So it's a little 63 Chevy half-ton, fleet size 6-footer. He's putting a LT1 in it, and he's going to drive it every day, he says, and tow a trailer and go to California in it. So he built himself a nice driver. So you can see how straight. Sean did an awesome job on the bodywork here, and that's about it. Don't have much more to say about this truck. Yeah, looks beautiful. So we'll take you for a walk around, and there you are.
There we go. All ready to pick up.